Welcome to Sri Lanka, the teardrop-shaped jewel of the Indian Ocean. A land rich in biodiversity, where ancient rainforests meet sunlit plains, and where over 400 species of birds find their home, many found nowhere else on Earth. In this small island, bird watchers discover a paradise. From the tropical lowlands to the cloud forests of the central highlands, Sri Lanka is a living aviary. Sinharaja Forest Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is one of the best places to begin. In these dense, humid forests, patience and silence are rewarded with glimpses of rare endemics. The Sri Lanka Blue Magpie, striking in its crimson and cobalt, is just one of 34 endemic bird species found only here. At higher altitudes, Horton Plains National Park unveils a different world. Here, the Sri Lanka whistling thrush, elusive and shy, sings only at dawn. And with luck, the beautiful yellow-eared bulbul may appear among the rhododendrons. Moving south, the wetlands of Bundala host a spectacle of migratory visitors. From flocks of flamingos to painted storks and Eurasian spoonbills, the lagoons come alive each winter. Over 200 migratory species pass through Sri Lanka, making it a seasonal sanctuary for birds escaping the colder northern climates. Birdwatching here is more than a hobby, it's a cultural bridge. Local guides, often raised among these ecosystems, share their deep knowledge with visitors from around the globe. Ecotourism plays a key role in protecting these habitats. Every birdwatcher contributes to a larger story, one of conservation, appreciation, and coexistence. Whether you're an expert birder or a curious traveler, Sri Lanka offers a front-row seat to nature's most colorful performers. Each wingbeat echoes the wild soul of this island nation. We have many more places to see for birds watching in Sri Lanka. In Sri Lanka, the birds are never far. You just have to listen.